steel hair and a wheelchair. I'm living day by day. My mind is getting slower and my body is in decay. But Franny, you're still beautiful, just like the day we met. I still know that you're coming when I see your silhouette, your silhouette. My legs can't hold my body and my arms are both so weak. The kids brush me away like I'm a dusty old antique. But Franny, you still look at me like I am 25. You're still my blushing bride, and that's what's keeping me alive, keeping me alive. Well, I ain't getting any younger, and Franny, you're older too. But I ain't lost my hunger, I am still the one who waits for you. And I'll be here from this day on until they stick me in the lawn. Yeah, I'll be here. Well, there's no time to waste now trying to tell the world goodbye. Yesterday's so far away and tomorrow's all a lie. So Franny, take my hand and let's go live another day. It might not be our last, but it's a step along the way, along the way. Well, I ain't getting any younger, and Franny, you're older too. But I ain't lost my hunger, I'm still the one who waits for you. And I'll be here from this day on until they stick us in the lawn. Yeah, I'll be here. The setting sun hanging low on the horizon. My heart is numb as I watch you slip away. You close your eyes as if the light is growing brighter, and a peaceful gaze consumes your tired face. Do not go gentle, no, my love. The angels don't need you above. Rage against the dying of the light.
너희 준비 완료. 너희 준비 완료. 너희 준비 완료. 너희 준비 완료됐다. 아빠를 잡으러 가자. 짜잔.
여기 식탁에 올려놓고.
나는 힘이 없어. 힘이 없어. 힘들다. 힘들어.
가방에 넣어.
가방에 사람이 시간이 너무 걸려. 넣었어요. 봐봐요.
나눴어? 가방 세워놓고.
왜안 채워지는 거야?
I've been sleeping with the lights on, buried in regrets, breaking into sweats, naked as a falling leaf. Well, it's a natural reaction, driven to distraction, clawing at the ghosts I'll never meet. Oh, and I don't know where they go when they vanish in the corners of my eyes. And I don't know why, I don't know.
안녕하세요. 들어가자.
But I'm letting go. I'm letting go.
아빠 숨어볼게.
It's a history that never really grows. I'm letting go. I'm letting go. It's a silent wind that never really blows. I'm letting go. I'm a slave without a master, heading for disaster, kicking up the dust in the middle of the road. I've been waiting on a free ride, ticket to a seaside thicket on the edge of Puget Sound.